2, 3, funk it.
I've tried to film this video probably 3, maybe 2 times, and both, no, 2 times. And both times it ended up looking like actual poopy. And so I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna start out using the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation in the shade Ivory. If this doesn't work, I'm literally gonna give up on everything. In case you didn't already know, I started out with my base already done. I'm scared. I'll start off with Single using my Charles palette, and that's just this purple right here. And I'm just gonna put that all around. Now I'm gonna dip into Escape. I'm kind of just putting this in random spots and hoping for the best. I'm gonna go into the shade Skip. Cola. Blue up in here because we're in space and there's blue. I'm doing a lot of stamping motions, not a whole lot of blending. Playground. Spooky. Because I don't have any white liquid liner or anything like that, I'm just gonna be using that foundation for my white friend. I'm gonna take Escape on a small angled brush, and I'm gonna put that on my lower eyelid just to get rid of the rest of that white color. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, you know, some love. We love you. Also, follow me on my Instagram. It'll be linked down below, unless of course I forget, in which case it won't be. Until next time, ciao.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you.